What's up, Facebook? Big Mike and Redneck here. Shit. We're looking for some messed up stuff. We'll be baiting for stuff too. Little doggy birds. Let's see. Oh, Rougaroo, Bigfoot, Dog Man, Sassafras, Melonheads. Little stars. The fuck is that, bro? It's a star. Oh, I know ski things, bro. The ski sticks. That's probably what that is. Paws. The feet prints. Let's see if we can get the Ohio Grassman, Skinwalker. Creatures, you disappoint your mother and me. And if I actually see some stuff, then I'll show you. Some weird stuff usually happens. Airplane, no airplane though. I hear the noise. It's a ghost plane, bro. You know what? What do you think? Redneck, is it a ghost plane, bro? Man, I'm holding like a pack of meat in my arm. Like, hug me. I got food. Let's see. Nothing like the other end. If I don't hear nothing while we're walking down here, I'll take you guys to a different spot where you were here. Hold on, cigarette in the mouth. You will hear shit. And possibly see. You gotta look up in the trees and everything, bro. Last time I was out here, I think we seen 4 or 5 set of things with bright green eyes. And then it just like dipped out. Dog paws. A lot of people's been coming through here. I mean, why not? Beautiful place. Yeah. Let's see. What's wrong? Yeah, we mostly look for broken trees that, hold on. Let's see what this is. It might just be a fallen over tree though. How they do that call? Whoop! Yeah, that echoes. Yeah, Daddy's here. Oh, actually, I'm looking for my dad, Bigfoot. Anybody seen him? What about my lost puppy, the dog man? Whoop! Whoop! But why would somebody bring back skis though? Like a ski stick? See? They brought back a ski stick. It's not that slippery. Hold on. It's like a fucking flower. Oh, sorry for cuss face, but my bad. Excuse me for my language. Hey, man. Where you at? Acting all shy and shit. I brought you some chicken. Huh. Did you growl? Shit. Colder than shit out here. Yo. Oh, let's try how. Ooh. Holla. Hey, Mr. Demon Dog. Bow Wows. Huh. That is an arch. I say, let's go. I'm coming. Knock, knock. Let me in. It's your boy, Nosferatu. No, I'm just playing with you. Hey, I got some Scooby snacks. God, why are you so angry bending shit all the time? I can learn you some breathing techniques. Uh-oh. People's been back here. Oh, my God, people. Ugh. God, it just got really cold back here, didn't it? Whoop! It's a tree upside down. There's the top. There's the bottom up there. And one straight across.
Must be what it said.
Oh, drop the chicken. We cut that open and we'll start throwing some pieces everywhere. Cold? Hi, Mister. Hold on. That light sucks. Let's bring up this one.
Your knife on me?
Huh?
Got your knife on me?
Yeah. Here, hold it straight out sideways. We're gonna get through this motherfucker. There, it's open. Come on, Hercules. You need another chop for you? Okay, I don't think anything's gonna eat that right now. That's colder than what we are. Yeah, just we'll take the trash back with us. We'll just throw the meat everywhere. Well, hold on. Take the meat out. We'll take the trash with us. Yeah. And we'll throw that one on the other side. Sorry, Facebook. So that's baited. Here's this piece. We'll put it on this tree right here, and when we'll come back out, we'll grab it the other way. So we don't have to carry it. Just stick it like right here. And we'll get it on the way out. Right there. You gotta watch them to stay low to the ground too sometimes. It's fucking freezing out here, ain't it?
A little bit.
Ooh. Oh. Hello? I heard a whistle. You hear that? I can't whistle. You... Man, come on, guys. Don't be all fucking secretive and hitting on me now. Hello? Oh, sorry for cussing you guys. My bad. It's really, really cold out here. Freezing. Hello?
Anybody home?
Right. Am I home? Woo. Rabbit. They just spin around in the snow. Whew. I can't feel my fingertips. Whoop. Weird. There. Usually you see something or hear something by now. Whoop. Whoop. Rabbit. There's nothing. Awfully quiet tonight, bro. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Whoop. Whoop. Let's try the monkey effect. That was kind of stupid, but try anything. Yeah, that hurt my feelings. Yeah. Whew. I'm about to end up going back to the vehicle. I can't even feel my fucking hands right now. Freaking hands. They're probably all shacked up somewhere too. Like, dude, it's too cold. Freak it. Yeah, there's two of them on each other. They're stacked on each other. Oh my god, that one's a big one. Oh, dude. I just see nice. Oh, let's switch hands. Hello? Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. There's the tree, there's eyes. There's eyes right there looking at me. I see it by the tree. Right here. Hello? Woo! Woo! It's looking away, it's wide eyes. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Could be a raccoon or anything. Oh no, that's pretty far away. You see it? You see it right there? Right in the middle of my circle. Next to this tree.
Oh,
You see it?
I did, yeah. I think so.
Oh shit. See if I can get something closer. Oh no, I'm starting to feel bad. Oh.
Any birds count?
Oh no, something I don't know. Facebook, I'll continue here in a minute.